everyone, I'm kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel. I have another fun unboxing for you guys today. I have the JuJuBe Rose Garden collection in this box. I am super excited because I love roses so much. If you guys follow me over on Instagram, you'll see my rose garden all the time in my stories and things like that. And if you guys don't follow me over there, I would love to see you, so I will leave my information right here for you. So anyways, I'm very excited to open this up and see this print in person because the photos look amazing that I've seen. So here we go. This recently came out over this past week. So it is available on the website and I would love if you guys would shop with me. I will leave my affiliate link down in the description below for you guys and you can shop through that anytime. Here we go. I got quite a few things to share with you guys in here, so. All right. Ooh, this is super pretty. These flowers are really realistic too. Okay, I think I'm gonna start with this. Oh my gosh, this has beautiful print placement. I love it when JuJuBe releases a print where there's like a specific print placement that you're after, and that like when you do an unboxing like this, you might find that you have that print placement. So for me, any of the print placement that has a big rose, I'm gonna love. So look at that, you guys. Look at that big rose right up here and all the pink ones down here. It is so pretty. This is the Be Cool. This is one of my favorite JuJuBe pieces because you can use it so many different ways, but most of all, it is a good little lunch box or bottle cooler. So if you have a little baby and you are trying to transport bottles, this is a great option for that. But this is so cute. I love this print. It is super pretty. And this one won't have the interior lining on it because it is, I'll show you guys, but it's like an insulated cooler. So this will have the gray lining for insulation. It's really, really pretty. I'll put that up here for now. Oh my goodness, okay. Oh, I love this one. Also, if I didn't mention, this video also includes a giveaway, so stay tuned to the very end and I will discuss that, so. Okay, I think the first thing I'm gonna go through after that is this Be Quick. This one is really pretty, but it doesn't have my print placement, but it's still really pretty. I think it's hard to go wrong with this particular print, so. There is the print placement on the front and the back. The Be Quick is such an amazing bag for diapers, wipes, changes of clothes, and all kinds of things. You can use it for tons. I've even used these as purses on dates with my husband. I love them. And they also come with a strap as well, so you can wear it crossbody. Oh, okay, I'm seeing the lining for the first time. It is really pretty. Oh my gosh, what would you call this? Like a dusty plum? I love it. Look at you guys. Can you see that color? Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, I love it. I'm a huge fan of purple. I'm even wearing purple today because I'm like, this print has a purple lining. I need to wear purple. All right, so that is the Be Quick. Get rid of some of these bags. Let's see what else. Okay, I have this My Be Set. Notice I said My Be Set. That's a hint to the giveaway. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, this one has all the pink on it. I love it. So this is a Be Set piece. This is the large one. It comes with 3 pieces. So if you are new to JuJuBe, these are amazing for organizing your diaper bag or like any bag. I've even used these on trips in my luggage and things like that. So if I haven't mentioned also, this print has gold hardware. So I will do a little close-up for you guys on that in just a minute. See what all the other pieces look like. Ooh, so this is my medium set piece. There are so many different flower colors in this print. So I think there's blues, there's purples, pinks, whites, red, like it's got a lot of different colors, but they're really pretty and they all work really well together. Oh, I love my small set piece. So that is the front of my small set piece. Isn't it pretty? And that is the back. Oh, I love it. Such a pretty print, and this lining, I'm dying over it, is so pretty. And the B set also comes with 2 straps, a wristlet strap and also a crossbody strap or shoulder strap. So yeah, that's so pretty, I love it. Okay, next, I think I only got one real bag in this print because I thought it looked the prettiest on that one. So I will share that with you guys. I gotta be zealous. All right, so I also got the bead Dapper in this print, and that is mostly because I really want to use it to hold my makeup. Right now I use Whimsical Whisper, I think is the one that I've got, and it's really pretty, but I think it needs a wash. But they're so great for holding makeup, you guys, and for traveling. So this is my Be Dapper. Isn't it really pretty? Another one with great print placement. This is the other side. It has a little handle up top here and a zipper all the way down the middle, and then the inside is just totally empty. And you also have a zipper on the back here. So it's such a great bag, you guys, and it fits great in diaper bags as well. So here is my last bag I have to go through. I can't wait to see the print placement on this one. The straps are so pretty on it. And then I'll go through that last piece at the bottom. Oh, it's so pretty. I cannot wait to see the lining on this one. I mean, I know what it looks like, but it's so different when you have it on small bags versus big bags. Like once you open up the big bag, it's like, oh, so gorgeous. Okay, so this is my print placement on my Be Zealous. The Rose Garden print is so beautiful, you guys. So pretty. Let's open it. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's so pretty. This is such a gorgeous color. Like, I really think, all I can think is like it's a dusty plum. But it's so pretty. It's got more of a pinkish hue to it though than a purple. So it's like a pinkish purple. It's really pretty. So here we go. Isn't that gorgeous? I love it. Ooh, I love this print. What do you guys think of Rose Garden? Do you love it as much as me? Do you like floral prints? And what are you going to order in this print, or what have you already ordered? I'd love to know. Now on to the giveaway. So what I am giving away in this video today is another Be Set. Yay! So this is the Be Set that I'm giving away. It's gorgeous. I don't know if I want to open it. Probably not. I'll save that for whoever wins. But here are the rules. Basically, you must be a subscriber to enter to win. You also need to give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below with your Instagram handle or your Facebook handle so that I can reach out to you if you are the winner. And I'd also like you to write in that comment what your favorite piece was from my unboxing today. And that's it. For a full list of rules, please look in the description below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it fun. Keep an eye out for more fun JuJuBe videos later this year and next year too. Thanks for watching.